Hello and welcome to this video on how to create a countdown timer in WordPress. Countdown timers are a great way to add urgency or excitement to your website. Whether you are counting down to a product launch or an event to engage your visitors, in this video I will show you how to create a countdown timer in WordPress using Elementor and by using other plugins as well. Okay, so first we will see that how we can create a timer using a plugin, and the plugin name is Countdown Timer Ultimate. Okay, so let's go and write. First of all, you need to go on your dashboard, and then you need to go to this plugins area in the side menu. Click on Add New, and then here go down, and in this area of search plugins, click here and search for Countdown timer ultimate. Okay, now click on search. Here we will get our results now. Okay, so here is the first plugin. Okay, and we need to install the plugin. Click on install now. Click on activate. Okay, here our plugin is installed and activated successfully. Now it's showing that if you want to get important updates, then you can click on allow and continue. We are not going to do this. We are just clicking on skip. Okay, here is the dashboard for this plugin. So it shows about. Okay, now see here in the side menu, we need to go on this countdown timer. Okay, as there we haven't created any timer, so it's showing nothing here. We need to click on add timer, and here we are going to create a new timer. So for example, we are creating this for our new product launch, for example. Okay, now for example, I have written here new product coming. Okay, let's write new product is on the way. Okay, now here is a premium feature, that start date and time. Here we are going to set the expiry date or expiry time. So for example, expiry date is 2 of April 2023. Now you need to check on these boxes that in which way you want to show, like in hours you want to show, in minutes, in seconds, or in days also. So we are going to check all of these. Okay, okay, and go down if there is something that we can use. Okay, else other things are all in their premium versions. We are going to do the things that are available in free version. Okay, now click on publish. Okay, so here we have created our timer. If you see here in the right side, we have a WP countdown ID. This is a short code that we are going to use in our pages. So copy this short code and create a new post, and you can go and paste this code where you want to show this timer. Okay, now click on edit with Elementor. Now I'm going to place this short code here in the space, and then you will be able to see the same timer here. Okay, now I need to search here for short code and drag it here. Okay, so here our short code element is created. Now if you see here, when I pasted this code in this box, then I got this timer, like it's showing the time, that is 1 day, 5 hours and 27 minutes and 11 seconds are remaining for this product launch. Now you can add your title in this in the above section, for example. Okay, now we are going to add a title here. So I drag this heading element here, and now I can write here new product is coming in, and then three dots. Now we can align our content as we want to show, and you can change the text color from here. Okay, if you see here, we have created this timer using the plugin. Now let's see how we can add a timer using this Elementor only. Now let me show you. Okay, maybe you can need the pro version, or let me check, we can do this in free. Countdown. Okay, when you will type countdown in this search bar, you will get this element. Now you can drag this and put it here. Here you can see this is how our countdown is showing in this Elementor countdown element. Now you can change the look of this countdown section. For example, here is the view. You can show this in inline, like this days, hours, and minutes in a line. Or if you want to show as a blocks, then these will be visible like this. Okay. Now let's change the color of the. Let's change the background color first. Okay, from here we can change the border color, sorry, background color. You can put this to white also. If you let's say this is how our timer is looking right now. Okay, now we want to show this in a round form. So what we can do, we can increase the border radius. Okay, so whenever I will increase the border radius, then these elements will start. Uh, then the corners of these boxes will start getting rounded. Okay, now we need to do some changes so that the elements can get proper round shape. Okay, so for example, I increase the padding of these elements, and now let's try to make them rounded. Okay, still not getting round. Okay, now if you see here, we get the round circles as our countdown timers, and here the timer color it changes accordingly. Now you can set the color of the border. Okay, now for example, I choose this solid color, and let's say I put, okay, let's take it white and change the background color to white. Okay, now change the border color. Okay, now if you see our elements are not showing here. So go to this content area and change the color of the digits and the labels. Okay, now I put them as black and the label color is also black. Okay, now our labels and the counting digits are visible here. Now you can change their typography. For example, you can make them bold, light, and according to and you can change them according to your needs. Okay, so for example, I make them little bold, semi bold to these elements also. Now go to boxes again and let's increase the border width. So if you see when we did this, our elements are getting proper view right now. Okay, now you can change this anytime also. So this is how you can create an element and countdown in Elementor and by using the plugin also. So here this is there is a second type, that is evergreen timer. So this is the evergreen timer and this is due date timer. Okay, you can change this time, these dates, and all things according to your needs. From here you can show your labels, remove your labels. Also you can remove this second section, you can remove this minute section, or according to your needs you can do anything from here. Also if you want to give this a custom label, then you can do this thing also. For example, here we have hours, days, and we can write it hr, means hours. Okay, so let's change it to hours again. Okay, now from here you can add action after expire. So for example, I want to redirect this whenever this timer will end, and I want to redirect it to some other page. For example, I want to redirect this to my home page. So I will write my URL here. Okay, now our timer of when the timer will end, this will redirect to our home page. Okay, now you know how to create a countdown timer in WordPress using the countdown timer ultimate plugin. And the second way is to way to create the element to create this timer is by using the Elementor plugin. Okay, so now you know how to create a countdown timer in WordPress using countdown timer ultimate plugin and by using the Elementor plugin also. So countdown timers are a great way to create excitement and urgency on your website. So be sure to use them wisely. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or comments, please leave them below.